Hi, my name's Nick. I'm manager here at Glaser Instruments. Today I'm going to show you a product that we call Nut Rescue that we sell on musiccitybridge.com. And on this guitar in front of me, we have a B string that's too low. So I'm going to go through the steps with you. All right, so on this guitar, the B string is too low. We see it has no bounce here. So what I'm going to do is remove the string. I'm going to take the slot and etch the bottom of the slot. I already know it's too low. So I'm just going to etch the slot to make sure there's no form of lubricant or anything in there that somebody put in there at some point. Then I will take our nut rescue, just a tiny bit on the end of a razor blade, knock it down the slot, pack it in there, and then I'll take thin super glue, put it on the end of the razor blade, and I'll just barely touch the front edge, just so it bleeds into the powder. You can choose to accelerate it, or you can let it dry. It should only take 30 seconds. And then after filling, you'll see that nut is way too high. So we'll take that out. Then we'll slot it to the correct depth, which we can measure using the Music City Bridge nut slot gauge.